Hi there. Today we invite you to experience Japan, a land of breathtaking natural beauty, rich cultural heritage, and cutting-edge technology. Happy watching!
Overview of Japan. Japan, an archipelagic state in East Asia, consists of over 6,800 islands, with Honshu, Hokkaido, Kyushu, and Shikoku being the most prominent. Known for its stunning scenery, including Mount Fuji, cherry blossom, and hot springs. Japan has a population of 125 million, making it the 11th most populous country. Its capital, Tokyo, is one of the world's largest and most vibrant cities. Here are the top 10 things to do in Tokyo. Takeshita Street. Tokyo offers diverse shopping experience from luxury fashion to traditional Japanese goods. Harajuku Takeshita Street is a hub for trendy fashion, unique boutiques, and vibrant street style. Often associated with Harajuku girls, visit Tokyo Plaza Omotesando for more shopping and try fun, like rainbow toys and cotton candy at a Toti Candy Factory. For a unique experience, stop by the Geho Cafe or explore Japan kawaii culture. Other great shopping areas including upscale Ginza, known for its luxury boutiques and department store. Sensoji Temple. Japan have two major religions, Shinto and Buddhism, have existed for centuries. Tokyo has over 3,000 shrines and temples, more than any other city in Japan. One of the most famous is Sensoji, Tokyo oldest Buddhism temple, dating back to the 7th century, despite being elaborated multiple times due to the disaster and VVI bombings. It remains a significant cultural site. Its iconic Kaminomon Gate, with a white paper lantern, leads to Nakamichi Dori, a shopping street filled with traditional scopes. The temple complex is also including the pagoda, treasure house, and museum. Tokyo food. Tokyo is a top destination for food lovers, offering diverse dishes and unique dining experience. Explore Yokocho, RF Omodi, Yokocho, and Golden Gate in Shinjuku. Known for the tiny izayakas and vibrant nightlife, like Japanese sake, often paired with traditional meals. Tokyo, home to the most Michelin-starred restaurant in the world, is a global food capital, enjoying iconic dishes like sushi, sashimi, ramen, udon, dan soba, along with delicious street food such as takoyaki, yakisoba, and dango. Don't miss a Japanese dessert like mochi, dorayaki, and taiyaki, often enjoyed with tea.
Tokyo Imperial Palace. The Imperial Palace in Tokyo is the main residence of the Emperor of Japan, located in Chiyoda on the former site of Edo Castle. Built in the 15th century, the castle served as the shogun's government headquarters during the Edo period. Tokyo was once a small fishing village called Edo, meaning estuary in Japanese. After the Meiji restorations in 1868, the capital moved from Kyoto and was renamed Tokyo, meaning Eastern Capital. Edo Castle suffered several fires, with the last major one in 1873, destroying much of it. Today, all its foundations, moats, and walls remain. In 1960, the Imperial Palace was built in the site and became the Emperor's residence. Vending machines. Vending machines are everywhere in Japan, from street to train stations and malls. They offer drinks, snacks, and unique items like canned cake, ramen, and etc. Some feature animal collectibles in vinyl and flash forms. With 5 million machines, one for 25 people, Japan has the highest vending machines density. Their popularity stems from convenience in the fast-paced lifestyle. A unique example is the horror vending machines corner near Akihabara. American museums. Tokyo's museums offer a diverse and fascinating array of exhibits featuring everything from traditional Japanese art and culture to innovative technology and contemporary art worldwide. American, also known as the National Museums of Emerging Science and Innovations. American covers a wide range of topics, including robotics, space explorations, artificial intelligence, and environmental sustainability. American stands as a beacon of scientific discovery, inspiring curiosity and encouraging a deeper understanding of the rapidly evolving world of science and technology. Shibuya Crossing. Shibuya Crossing or Scramble Crossing is a busy intersection in Shibuya, known for large crowds crossing simultaneously. It's one of the busiest pedestrian crossings in the world, featured in movies and TV shows. Nearby, you'll find the Hachiko Memorial Statue, honoring the loyal dog Hachiko. Explore Shibuya Center Guide for food, shopping, and nightlife. The area is set for redevelopment soon. Also, be aware that different adapters charge devices at different speeds, which is important for travelers needing fast charge.
Ueno Park is one of the largest and most famous parks in Tokyo, opened in 1873. In it, there are various interesting places such as museum, temples, garden, and even a zoo. Some of the important cultural institutions located here include the Tokyo National Museum and the National Museum of Nature and Science, which house extensive historical and scientific collection. Apart from that, this park also has several temples, one of which is Betendo Temple. One of the main attractions in Ueno Park is Shinobazu Pond, where various species of birdlife visitors can ride a boat to enjoy the beautiful surrounding view. Tokyo itself is known to have many charming parks and gardens, and Ueno Park is one of the most frequently visited for its natural beauty and cultural richness. Tokyo culture is a part of Japanese pop culture, associated with a deep interest in anime, manga, and video games. Previously considered negative, now the term otaku is more accepted and even popular throughout the world. This culture includes various activities such as cosplay, collectible, card game, and themed cafes such as Media's Cafe, where waiters wear character costume. In Tokyo, Akihabara is known as the otaku capital because it is filled with anime and electronic shops, while the Ghibli Museum is a must-visit for Japanese animation lovers. Tokyo has an observation deck with amazing view. Japan's tallest building since 2012 has an observation deck, restaurant, and shopping mall. Tokyo Tower, built in 1958, is a popular tourist icon. If you're in a hurry, enjoy the view from Jojo-ji Temple. If you have extra time in Tokyo, try a unique cafe such as Avatar Robot Cafe, where robots controlled remotely by individuals with disabilities will serve you. Enjoy a different dining experience while supporting inclusivity. Hope you have a great trip to Tokyo!